welcome back to my channel Crypto Stallion. Today I will share with you about a new project named As Faces. I will share all the detail about this project. You can easily be able to make money on it too. I will share all their detail in this video, so stay tuned, and I will share their main website in this video too, that how you can easily be able to buy it, how you can see their charts. I will share their details in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. As you can see from the next view, it is given here about the fees which is listed, and it is on the Solana, basically SOL. You can see the price is going up and their market cap is given, which is given here. You can see its price is in green as it is going up. 24-hour change is 10.95% changing, and you can see 24-hour transactions are given, which is 549. You can see from this graph their price is going up from that point to above. You can see it here. You can easily be able to make money from it, and you can easily be able to get it from here. As you can see now, you can be able to buy it from here. After that, their price will increase much more, and you can easily be able to sell it on the profit and make money on it. So further, their website is given. You can be able to buy it from the Swap Radium. I will share with you how you can buy it. They have the charts here. I will share that with you too. They have the Feces coin. Their contract address is given. You can join their community, Twitter and Telegram. You can see born to be a meme coin boss. So it is going to be a meme coin boss as its price is going up, as you can see it here. So now I will share with you about the Feces coin. Welcome to the Feces coin, the premier cryptocurrency farm for all things related to the digital currencies. Their platform provides a space for enthusiasts, investors, and also for the experts to come together and discuss their latest trends, news, and development in the world of cryptocurrencies. So they are basically the platform which provide a good opportunity for the investors and also for the experts to discuss their latest trends and news, so that they can make money more in the world of cryptocurrency. And you can see they have seasoned traders, or they have Feces coin offer a wealth of resource you can inside. They have the vibrant community to help you navigate in the exciting world of digital assets. You can join them and be a part of their future finance. You can join them now. You can see it here. I will open this link and share it with you that how you can join them. You can easily be able to be a part of their community on Twitter, their Telegram, etc. So you can see I will share with you about the Feces coin. Their about $Feces is the meme token that was born as a meme of financial freedom and possesses limitless possibilities in its future utility. So you can see they have the Feces coin named as $Feces. It is basically a meme token which was born for a meme of financial freedom. You can see it here. They have embraced a playful nature for meme culture, while they are aiming for provide real value and utility to its community. Means you, if you go and invest in it, you can join their community, you can be a part of their community. They will aiming for you to provide a real value and utility. Here they have social and financial freedom, which is already inspired the current community to seek the product that fits the need. Entrepreneur, gamers, artists, or anyone looking to take control over their own financial outcomes. So further, you can be able to buy it. I will share with you how you can buy it. You can be able to buy it from the Radium. You can see it here. Here its name is given Solana. Here their address is given here. You can see it here. You can go for it here, and as you can see phases which is given here, you can go and touch on the buy now. You can see it here. It will open in the new tab too. I'll give this link here. Their contract address will start from the 5J2S. You can see it here. Further, you can go it here, open the swap, as I am sharing with you that how you can do that. You can see the species. You can easily be able to buy it from here and make money on it too. So it is a very good project. You have to enter the amount that how much you want. If you want to buy it from half Solana, you have to enter that, and it will come within a few seconds as it is loading here. After that, you can be able to get it from here too, as it is $79. Their price is given. You can see it here. You can swap through a Radium pool, minimum received. You can see it here. So further, if I go for here, they have the DEX screener. You can see DEX screener is given here. The price is going up here. You can see it here, and you can see they have 1 or 7.79% gain, 63%, 6,000, 24%, 11.7%. Their price is given. Their website, Twitter, Telegram is given. You can easily be a part of their community. Join them on Telegram. You can see you can be able to be a part of their community by joining them on the Telegram. or Twitter, and you can make money on it too. Must go and invest in it. Do your own research too before going. And it is the meme coin boss, so it will go and be a part of it. And you can see here is their Twitter. You can see their Twitter, their Telegram, their website, their CA addresses given born to be a meme coin boss. Their new listing, all the details about that coin, about the meme token. You can see all will be given here. You can be able to be a part of Twitter so that you can get to know all their details from here. And if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.